Hi everyone, thank you for visiting our virtual art galleries. So when you are ready, you can click on either of the links that I provided for both of my photography classes, and it will bring you up to each gallery as we see here. When you click on the link, you'll see this tab in the lower left-hand corner. You'll also see an area where it starts to load the gallery. If you just wait a couple of seconds and let that load all the way, that would be greatly appreciated. Okay, so here is our introduction page, our first slide, and the title that you see here has been completely created and chosen by students. So when you are ready, you will click here where it says enter, and you'll see your first room. Now, just discussing the layout a little bit, each student designed their own room. They were allowed to choose up to 5 photographs. And with their 5 photographs, they could create like a nameplate or name title for their room, as well as a guest book. So just to explain a little bit how to navigate, you'll notice that these images, yes, are fairly small. However, we wanted to see these larger scales. So you'll notice here that when I hover over each of the pictures, I get my cursor turns into kind of like a pointer. When you click on that specific image, it'll bring you to a new view where you'll be able to see the photograph in large scale. It'll also include a title if the student wanted to title their work along with their name. Once you've viewed that photograph, you can then go down to the bottom right-hand corner to click on back, and that brings you directly back to the room. So once again, you'll hover over the photograph that you want to view at a larger scale. You'll be able to see the photograph in larger form. You'll get to see the title if the student gave it a title, as well as the student artist, and then click back once you want to go to the next room. Now, you've looked at all the photographs. You want to tell the student what a fantastic job they did with their images during virtual learning. You can click on their guest book if they included a guest book. And you can go ahead and click on where it says sign. And you'll notice that our class already went in and kind of commented on each other's artwork. So you'll click on sign if you want to sign their guest book and so forth. Okay. When you're done filling out the guest book, you then have the choice to either go to the previous room or the next room. So either way, you can click on one of those and it'll bring you to a new student room. Once again, you can click on the image to get larger scale, look at the title, student artist, click back. You can sign the student guest book and so forth. Let's say you forgot to do something in the previous room. You can go ahead and click previous to kind of navigate around each room. Okay. If a student does not have a guest book, that was their choice. So if you wanted to leave them a comment, maybe send them an email, jot that down, feel free to do that as well. If you have any questions on how to navigate after this tutorial, please reach out to me and let me know. All right, enjoy.